Hello and welcome to the Open SAP course SAP Digital Supply Chain, from Design to Operate. My name is Renato Zadro and I'm the Solution Owner for Enterprise Portfolio and Project Management at SAP. In this unit, I will give an overview of solution capabilities that help customers to better manage projects in the digital supply chain. Many project-driven organizations, such as IT offices, R&D teams, and professional service providers, are forced to use multiple solutions to be able to manage project information across the entire project lifecycle. These solutions are very often decoupled from the company's ERP system. As example, project schedules are managed in some local desktop application, whereas cost calculations for projects are done in separate Excel sheets, and therefore they are often outdated and inaccurate. Project approvals are usually stored in emails, thus they aren't visible to other involved parties. Insufficient visibility or inconsistent information about actual project costs, budget consumption, or confirmed work causes a lot of manual effort when creating project reports. You can imagine that decision-making in such an environment is very challenging. If you don't have the insights into the overall demand for your projects, into resource capacity or available financial budget, your project will most likely fail before it's even started. Now with S/4HANA, customers have the opportunity to overcome these challenges. As the digital core, S/4HANA is a single source of truth for a majority of business processes in a company. In addition, S/4HANA provides now an embedded and tightly integrated project and portfolio management solution. That means project management can be easily linked to other business functions in the digital core. As example, the project manager can easily access and schedule procurement orders for their projects, review the time recording entered by the project team, and compare that to the planned efforts in the project plan. With the S/4HANA Fiori user interface, all participants have immediate and controlled access to latest project information at any time. This allows stakeholders to review the progress of a project without the need to use the expert user interface. In combination with SAP Analytics Cloud, customers can build powerful real-time reports which help them to identify project deviations before they become critical. In essence, S/4HANA is the perfect platform to manage comprehensive, consolidated and up-to-date project information, and thus provides a 360-degree view on a project and its performance. The Enterprise Portfolio Project Management solution consists of several components. The foundation of the solution is the financial and logistic project control, which provides integration into core business processes managed in S/4HANA. These core capabilities are enriched by project-related solutions such as innovation management, portfolio and project management, commercial project management, and enterprise project connection. This set of solutions enables customers to manage all kinds of project scenarios, such as IT projects, new product development and introduction, capital projects, and customer projects. The combination of these solutions allows project-driven organizations to manage the complete life cycle from idea to execution and project closure. As such, it provides ready-to-use integration to logistic and accounting processes, and it offers built-in project analytics and dashboards. One of the major benefits for customers is the ability to increase the revenues generated directly through projects. With an integrated solution, customers are able to gain insights into the profitability of individual projects and go specifically after the high profitable ones. Also, companies are able to maximize the return on investment by spending their budget wisely on projects with the biggest benefit for the company. Last but not least, companies will improve their resource utilization because the project managers know exactly the overall capacity of the project workforce and when they need which individual employee in the project. Let's have a deeper look into one of these solutions, SAP Innovation Management. This solution is based on HANA and its web application. It can be deployed on-premise or in the cloud. It helps innovative companies to collect and evaluate ideas and manage these ideas in a central repository. It consists of a web-based user front-end and suitable for casual users to create new ideas or review and comment on existing ideas. In addition, the solution provides collaboration and voting features. This allows these companies to develop an idea with other experts from the internal or external community. A dedicated evaluation form helps the idea management office to rank ideas and select the most promising ones. Once an idea is identified, you can hand over this idea into the portfolio management, this tool which I will show you in the next step. Tracking and reporting the involvement of individual idea contributors is also very important. It drives the employee rewarding process, and it ensures that intellectual property is documented in the right way. After successful identification of a promising idea, it's now time to prepare a business case. Here the portfolio and project management solution comes into the play. This solution will help you to collect all necessary information for an investment decision and get this approved by the project stakeholders. As example, you can estimate financial and capacity demands. You can rank project proposals against each other based on scoring method and questionnaires, and it helps you to plan and approve budgets for your projects. Once the project is approved, the system will take care to initiate an operational project. From this point of time on, the project proposal is tightly linked with the project execution plan. Hence, everything that happens in project management is visible also in the portfolio management, so that you can compare your initial business case with planned and actual costs and the revenues. With the approval of the project managers can now start and break down the project into individual phases and work packages. Estimate the work efforts, and they can create then also a project schedule. Based on this information, the resource manager reviews the demand for the project roles and the job types and can match this demand against the availability of the individual resources. Through integration with the logistic project control in S/4HANA, you can achieve the automatic scheduling of procurement, service and production orders that are required for your project. Now let's come to commercial project management. This is a solution that enhances the project management capabilities that I introduced you before. So it's not a standalone tool, but it's specifically developed to support companies to better manage the commercial aspect of customer projects. The main target industries are therefore professional service organizations and engineering and construction companies. But the solution can be also relevant to companies who produce highly customized products, which is the case for aerospace and defense, manufacturers of industrial components, and automotive suppliers. In addition, this solution can be in general of interest for all customers that today already use SAP project system. There are three major enhancements to the operational project management capabilities which are provided by commercial project management. First of all, a detailed project financial planning which allows project sales engineers to calculate project costs and revenues based on quantities, resource hours, and service demand required in the project. The same capability is also used to capture and track project forecasts, and thus provides a detailed earned value reporting. A very important capability in managing customer projects is the documentation and tracking of project changes and issues. Here the benefit is clearly the integration of the change process into the project financial planning, which allows the project manager to analyze the financial impact of such changes on the project profitability. The third capability is risk and opportunity management. It allows you to capture and assess the financial impact of project risk, initiate and plan activities to mitigate this individual risk in a project, and therefore safeguard the project execution during all stages. A very common situation at the customer is that they already have a third-party tool for project management in place. For this case, we have a middleware tool available which is called Enterprise Project Connection. This middleware tool provides a bi-directional interface that translates the SAP information into the third-party tools such as Microsoft Project or Primavera. It comes with predefined mapping rules, and it also includes intelligent business rules which help you to control how project information is aggregated from lower levels to the higher levels. This especially avoids flooding the SAP system with large amount of micro tasks when importing data from the third-party tool into SAP. Now I showed you some aspects of project management capabilities in S/4HANA and why it's important that these capabilities are integrated with other business functions. Customers that manage to achieve this type of integration are reporting significant increase in efficiency of their project management offices. As example, customers were able to reduce the time for creating the monthly project reporting from several weeks down to a few hours. This was possible to achieve because the solution helped them to establish a highly automated and integrated project reporting. Other customers managed to reduce development costs for new products. The reason for this was mainly because these companies were able to better coordinate task execution across teams which are distributed around the world. Due to the ability to access information for portfolio and projects in real time, PMO organizations were able to reduce also the lead time for investment decisions by 30%. As mentioned by Festo, who is an automotive supplier and one of the reference customers for EPPM in S/4HANA, they are convinced that with the right IT solution for project and portfolio management, projects will become faster, smarter, and more precise. With this statement, I want to close today's unit, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you for your time. Don't hesitate to contact me if you need detailed information.